Hey there, ecom entrepreneurs. Do you have a unique product that's pulling in $30,000 a month, but you're struggling to scale your business? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're sharing 5 proven marketing tips to skyrocket your revenue. Step 1, know your audience inside and out. Understand their pain points, desires, and interests. Use social media and email surveys to get their valuable insights. This helps you create tailor-made marketing strategies that resonate with your target customers. Next up, harness the power of email marketing. Send personalized, engaging emails to your subscriber with exclusive offers, product updates, and valuable content. Use automation tools like Klaviyo to segment your audience and send targeted emails that convert. Next up, we have collaborating with influencers who share your target audience. Not only will they introduce your unique product to their followers, but their authentic reviews and endorsements can boost your brand's credibility and trust. Just make sure they align with your brand values. Don't forget to optimize your Shopify store for maximum conversion. Use high-quality product images and videos, write compelling product descriptions, and create an easy-to-navigate site. Also, make sure your store is mobile-friendly, as most online shoppers now use their phones. And finally, invest in social media advertising. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram offer laser-targeted ads that can reach your ideal customers. Set up retargeting campaigns to re-engage visitors who left without making a purchase. With the right ad creative and targeting, you'll see those sales soar. All right, entrepreneurs, time to put these tips into action and watch your revenue skyrocket. Want more tips on scaling with your ecom biz? Follow us and stay tuned for more amazing content. Until next time.